Hey guys, I'm Carly Schlentz. I'm from Greensboro, North Carolina, so not too far from here. I'm a rising senior and I'm a sustainable development major. And my focus is human health and food systems, so I've always been really interested in what people eat and why and how and the best way for them to do that in order to be healthy. And that starts when you're a child. You create those habits when you're really young. So that's why I took this class. It's super important to me, and I'm really looking forward to learning more about that and the best ways for children to develop and what they need in order to do that mentally, physically, and so really, really looking forward to learning. Um, my plan when I graduate is pretty vague. My goal is to just get an internship after graduation uh, and work for a little bit. And if that doesn't work out, then wherever I move, I'll just get a regular job and like a server or something and volunteer to just kind of get my toes in the sand and my hands some dirty and just learn some before I decide where I actually want to go moving forward, kind of more permanently. Um, yeah, so looking forward to it, but definitely pretty vague. Don't have anything set in stone for what I want to do long term, but that's okay. Um, and my important fact is that I was bit by a shark when I was 13. So, yeah. It was at the North Carolina beach, Topsail Island, and I had 100 stitches, and I was on crutches for a couple months, but all is well. I look forward to learning with you guys. Thanks.